Hey everybody, it's Linda. Just some really quick help with Paperback Writer. Very cool song, only 2 chords. The tricky part is getting all our voices together for that Paperback Writer part. But with a little bit of practice, and it sounded awesome last night, it's getting better every time. If you are a woman and you're singing the melody, Paperback Writer, really important to hold that note. If you're a woman and you're singing higher, Paperback Writer. So the melody is on that C string. So when you make a C chord and you pluck the C string, that's your melody line. So if you're not sure what note to start in, just go like, listen to that just before we start. It's a C chord, paperback. And the harmony for women is on the E string. Paperback. That's your starting note. So if you're not sure, just listen to that a little bit quietly before we start. And so you can also do, if you're a harmonizer, Paperback Writer, Paperback Writer. So a few women will try and do that Paperback Writer at the end. And in the middle are the guys who start with the first writer and then work themselves in. Paperback Writer. If they're on the G string, Paperback Writer. So we're going to put it out all together right now. Up there, she's going to do the high one, I'm going to do the melody, and she's going to do the low one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Paperback Writer. Let's try it again. Paperback Writer. Awesome. Now let's look at the end of the song. Paperback Writer. But let's let the low one do that because that's kind of the low. And we're going to do the echo. Let's do it the other way because I got to add the echo. I'm going to do the first part and they're gonna do the second half of the ending. Paperback Writer. Paperback Writer. Paperback Writer. Paperback Writer. To always do the same thing. You can move your voice around and it can change from line to line. Anyway, have fun with that. See you at gym.